Check out this new 2014 Ram 3500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This 3500 boasts a 6.7-liter inline-six engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the quick order package 2FH Laramie, convenience roof, transmission, 6-speed automatic 68 RFE, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel, black, leather trimmed bucket seats, power sunroof, keyless go, chrome body side molding, deep cherry red crystal pearl coat, radio, Uconnect 8.4 and FM/XM HDBT nav, single disc remote CD player, tires, LT 235/80R17E all on off-road, dual rear wheels, power adjustable pedals with memory and the remote start system. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.